Hola mi gente, it's Mariluz here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to create this really nice eyeshadow look. Full disclosure, I wanted to do a simple glitter makeup and this is what I came up with. So without my intention, it came out more like a sultry that I wanted to, and I think it came out more glam. So I think that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it like sultry glam eyeshadow makeup tutorial, whatever. Since I've been playing with colors and going like more out of my comfort zone, I noticed that purple like suits me very well. So if you're one of those people that love purple or think that purple suits you, I believe you're going to love this eyeshadow look. I mean, I'm really excited on how this look turned out, and I completed it using these two products right here. I used the Ring the Alarm palette from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection, and I also used the Stila Magnificent Glitter in the shade Kitten Karma. So if you guys are interested on how to complete this eyeshadow look, just keep on watching. So I did my eyebrows and I also primed my eyelids with a little bit of concealer. I used the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral this time, and I also set that concealer with a little bit of translucent powder. I used my RCMA No Color powder. Now to start with the eyeshadows, I'm going to take this shade called Rush from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using the Sigma E35. It's a tapered blending brush. I'm going to pick a little bit of Rush and tap the excess. I'm going to start on this corner right here. I'm going to apply this on my crease, but very lightly. I'm barely touching my crease. I just want to build this color slowly. I'm using windshield wiper motions, and then I'm using circular motions in order to blend that up. And once this color is blended like so, I'm going to take the shade Siren with the same brush, and I'm going to apply that on my crease. I'm going to start from this corner here, and then blending in windshield wiper motions, and then in circular motions, but very lightly. Then once I have that, I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to blend it on my outer V, and then with no more product left, I'm going to blend it on my crease. So once there's no harsh lines and you see the color blended a little bit more above your crease, I'm going to use the Stila glitter. So I'm going to take the applicator and I'm going to simulate a cut crease. I'm going to stop first at like half of my eyelid, and then I'm going to start tapping a little bit further just to blend that glitter. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E35 with the shade Siren, and I'm going to be tapping just a tiny bit, but at the same time blending that glitter. And after that, I'm going to take my Sigma E25 with the shade Framed and tap it on my outer V and just deepening up that outer V here. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I will see you for my lower lash line. I'm going to be listing all the products I used in the description box below, so check that out in case you have any questions. But for my lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Rush on a pencil brush. This is the Sigma E30, and I'm going to apply that all over my lower lash line. And now with the same brush, I'm going to use the shade Siren, and I'm going to apply it this far. I'm not going to be taking it all the way in. Keeping the same brush, I'm going to use the shade Framed and apply it on the outer side of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be using a little bit more of setting powder, putting it on top just to pick up all that fallout, buff it out. Now I want to smoke this look a little more, so I'm going to be using the Revlon Photoready Kajal eyeliner. I'm also going to be lining my eyes, but a really thin line just to put some lashes after. And I'm also going to be applying mascara. I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And while that mascara dries, I'm going to be taking the shade Summer from the Glowkit Sundipped palette. And I'm going to apply that with a pencil brush on my inner corner and on my brow bone. And here's the final look. So that is it for this eyeshadow tutorial. If you have any other questions of what products I use, don't forget to check the description box below. I'll list them all there. I'm really excited how this look came out, so if you guys liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section below what other types of eyeshadow tutorials you would like to see on my channel, because I love doing eyeshadow tutorials. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, that way you know every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye! I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy watching. I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy watching.